In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively use templates on Webflow. Webflow is an advanced online tool for crafting impeccable websites, either from scratch or by using pre-existing templates, enabling even beginners to make professional quality websites. Start your journey by heading over to the Webflow template marketplace. This is the hub, where all the fascinating designs by creative minds from around the globe are showcased. Here you can find an array of website templates curated for different purposes. Whether you are designing a blog, an e-commerce platform, or a portfolio site, there is something for everyone. Dive into the ocean of templates and browse by category, or if you have something specific in mind, put it in the search bar and explore your options. Before making any decisions, be sure to preview paid templates. By previewing, you can see the template in action in your browser, and it will give you a feel of how your intended website will look. Seeing a live demonstration of the template can help you make a well-informed decision about whether it aligns with your vision. If you decide to opt for a free template once you find a suitable one, simply click on it and select the option marked Use for Free. Convenient and cost-effective, these free templates are a great way to get your website up and running quickly. Once your template is selected, click the Create Site button located on the template page. This action will prompt you to give a unique name to your new website. You can choose to name it as per your preference or go with the default name provided. After naming your site, again click on Create Site. Your new website will open up in the Webflow Designer. This is where the magic happens, where you convert a pre-designed template into your personalized website. You will now be in the Webflow Designer with your new site at the ready. You can start tailoring the existing content to fit your ideas. Customization can range from changing text, replacing images, or even modifying the overall layout. If your selected template comes with a content management system, or CMS, you can use it to add and edit finer details. This can include adding blog posts, displaying your products, and tailoring every essential element that matches your needs. After these changes comes the exciting part: publishing your unique creation for the world to see. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can bring your vision to life and create a professional-looking website using Webflow. Happy designing!